Alam mo ba na makakagawa ka ng chocolate cheesecake na without cream cheese? Akalain mo walang cream cheese ito? At kung ikaw ay may nakastock na homemade yogurt, ay ito nang gagawin mo. 1 cup homemade low-carb yogurt, 1 egg. Dito po gagamit ako ng golden monk fruit erythritol or kung anong meron kayong available na low-carb sweetener. Tapos maglalagay po tayo ng grindahan cocoa powder. Ating salahin at ngayon atin ang i-mix. At itong ating pang binder, arrowroot powder. Nakita ko kasi ito nang gamit ay cornstarch pero out sa ating lifestyle. I-crumple ng bahagya ang ating parchment paper at ating ibuhos. Then dito gagamit po ako ng sugar-free grindahan chocolate cubes. Atin lang i-sprinkle sa ibabaw at i-bake natin sa preheated oven. Habang nagbe-bake, itong ating Bible verse for today. You will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on you because he trusts in you. Isaiah 26 verse 3. After 40 minutes, atin lang i-cool down at i-overnight natin sa ating ref. At kinabukasan, pwede na natin ito siyang i-slice. Atin lang siyang i-firm sa ref. At ito ating mga ingredients. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. God bless you po.